Hola amigos! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to uncover the hidden treasures of Spain's majestic island. First and foremost, did you know that Menorca is one of the Balearic Islands, nestled in the sparkling waters of the Mediterranean Sea? But wait, here's a fascinating tidbit. Menorca boasts a rich history dating back thousands of years. From its ancient Talayotic settlements to its strategic importance during the Roman Empire. Pero espera, there's more. Did you know that Menorca is home to some of Spain's most vibrant fiestas and cultural traditions? From the lively celebrations of Sant Joan to the colorful horse festivals. And here's a secret that only the locals truly appreciate. Menorca boasts over 100 pristine beaches and secluded coves, each more enchanting than the last. Whether you're seeking solitude on a secluded stretch of sand or yearning for adventure amidst rocky cliffs and crystalline waters, Menorca offers a coastal paradise like no other. No visit to Menorca is complete without indulging in its delectable cuisine. From freshly caught seafood to savory Menorcan cheese, the island's culinary offerings tantalize the taste buds and celebrate the bounty of the Mediterranean. As the sun sets on our journey through Menorca, one thing becomes abundantly clear: this hidden gem holds a special place in the hearts of all who have had the privilege of exploring its wonders. From its ancient history to its breathtaking landscapes and vibrant culture, Menorca beckons travelers to discover its secrets and forge unforgettable memories. Menorca is not just a paradise for beach lovers, but also a haven for nature enthusiasts. Nestled within its enchanting landscapes are hidden treasures such as the island's ancient Camí de Cabals, a historic trail that circles the entire coastline, offering breathtaking views and unparalleled experiences for hikers and explorers. There's more to Menorca's natural wonders. Beneath the surface lies a mesmerizing world of underground caves and caverns, carved over millennia by the forces of nature. From the magnificent Cova d'en Zeroy, perched high atop rugged cliffs, to the mystical stalactite formations of Cova de Columns, these hidden chambers hold secrets waiting to be discovered. Menorca is renowned for its rich artisanal heritage and traditional crafts. From the intricate art of handmade pottery. But perhaps the most intriguing aspect of Menorca is its ancient Talayotic civilization, which flourished over 3,000 years ago. Scattered across the island are mysterious megalithic monuments. These enigmatic structures offer glimpses into Menorca's distant past and leave visitors in awe of its ancient inhabitants' ingenuity. As we bid farewell to Menorca, one thing is certain: this captivating island holds a treasure trove of secrets waiting to be discovered. From its hidden caves and ancient ruins to its vibrant culture and natural beauty, Menorca is not only celebrated for its stunning beaches but also for its remarkable biodiversity. Despite its small size, Menorca is home to a remarkable array of flora and fauna. The island's protected natural areas, such as the Albufera de Grau Natural Park, provide vital habitats for these fascinating creatures. Here's a hidden gem about Menorca: the island's traditional festivals are deeply rooted in ancient folklore and customs. From the fiery rituals of Jaleo to the haunting melodies of traditional cants de batre, Menorca's cultural heritage is alive with mystery and tradition. There's more to Menorca's history than meets the eye. Did you know that the island's strategic location in the Mediterranean has made it a coveted prize throughout the ages? Here's a fascinating fact: beneath Menorca's sun-kissed surface lies a labyrinth of underground caves and caverns, some of which are still being discovered today. These subterranean wonders offer a glimpse into Menorca's geological history and inspire awe in all who venture into their depths. As the sun sets on our journey through Menorca, we're reminded of the island's timeless allure and boundless mysteries. From its diverse ecosystems to its rich cultural heritage and hidden treasures, Menorca continues to captivate and inspire all who are fortunate enough to experience its magic. Menorca is a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. This prestigious designation recognizes the island's commitment to sustainable development and conservation of its natural resources. From its crystal-clear waters teeming with marine life to its verdant forests and wetlands, Menorca's pristine ecosystems are a testament to its dedication to environmental stewardship. There's more to Menorca's cultural tapestry than meets the eye. The island is a melting pot of influences. One of the most fascinating aspects of Menorcan culture is its unique blend of Catalan and British influences, evident in everything from its architecture and cuisine to its vibrant festivals and celebrations. Menorca is home to one of the largest concentrations of prehistoric monuments in the Mediterranean. From majestic talayots and talas to mysterious nevadas and burial chambers, these enigmatic structures continue to fascinate archaeologists and visitors alike, inspiring wonder and curiosity. Its thriving underwater world. Beneath the waves lie a kaleidoscope of vibrant coral reefs, sea caves, and marine ecosystems teeming with life. Whether you're snorkeling in the turquoise waters of Cala Macarella or diving amidst shipwrecks off the coast, Menorca offers an aquatic playground like no other. As our journey through Menorca draws to a close, one thing is abundantly clear: this captivating island holds endless treasures waiting to be discovered. From its natural beauty and cultural heritage to its hidden gems and untold stories, Menorca invites travelers to embark on an unforgettable adventure of exploration and wonder. Menorca is home to some of the oldest olive trees in the world. These ancient arboreal wonders, known as olivares, have stood for over 1,000 years. The cultivation of olives has been integral to Menorca's economy and culture for centuries, shaping its landscape and traditions. During festivals and fiestas, locals and visitors alike come together to revel in the infectious energy and spirit of Halayo, creating unforgettable memories. Here's a fascinating fact: Menorca's ancient Talayotic civilization left behind a legacy of remarkable stone monuments and archaeological wonders. Most astonishing aspect of Menorca is its network of underground caves and caverns, many of which remain unexplored to this day. We're reminded of the island's timeless beauty and boundless mysteries. From its ancient olive groves and vibrant culture to its hidden caves and archaeological treasures, Menorca invites travelers to embark on a journey of discovery and wonder unlike any other. Did you know that Menorca is home to one of the largest biosphere reserves in the world? Designated by UNESCO, this protected area encompasses not only the island itself but also its surrounding marine ecosystem. From vibrant coral reefs to underwater caves teeming with life, Menorca's biodiversity is a testament to its commitment to conservation and sustainability. Menorca's charm than its natural beauty. The island is dotted with picturesque villages and historic towns, each with its own story to tell. From the winding streets of Cittadella to the ancient stone houses of Binabeca, Menorca's architecture reflects its rich history. The island's culinary scene is a fusion of flavors influenced by its Mediterranean heritage. From savory seafood paellas to crispy caldereta de langosta, Menorca's gastronomy is a feast for the senses. But perhaps the most fascinating aspect of Menorca is its network of underground caves and hidden beaches, accessible only to the most adventurous explorers. As the sun sets on our exploration of Menorca, we're left in awe of its beauty and captivated by its mysteries. From its pristine shores to its ancient traditions, Menorca holds a treasure trove of surprises waiting to be discovered by intrepid travelers and curious souls alike. Gracias for joining us on this unforgettable journey. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel.